Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency launched in August 2020 as a spin-off of Dogecoin. It features a Shiba Inu dog as its mascot and has gained popularity recently due to its meme-based nature. However, it is essential to note that investing in cryptocurrencies is highly volatile and risky. If you want to earn money through Shiba Inu, there are a few ways. One way is to invest in SHIB tokens in hopes their value increases. This can be done through cryptocurrency exchanges, such as Binance or Coinbase. It is important to note that investing in cryptocurrency is highly speculative, and the value of tokens can change rapidly and unpredictably, so it is crucial to do your research and invest only what you can afford to lose. Another way to earn money through this popular meme coin is by using it to purchase items or services. Some merchants accept cryptocurrency as a form of payment, so if you have SHIB tokens, you can use them for purchases. Additionally, some companies offer rewards in the form of cryptocurrency for certain actions or activities, such as completing surveys or referring new users to their platforms. Watch for such opportunities and participate if they align with your interests and values. In conclusion, earning money through Shiba Inu is possible, but requires caution and careful research. Investing in cryptocurrencies is highly speculative and can be very risky, so it is essential to approach it with a clear understanding of the potential risks and rewards. Additionally, be aware of opportunities to earn rewards in SHIB tokens through other means, such as completing surveys or referring new users to platforms.